Hi, welcome to Joe's Budget Cooking Classes. Food is expensive these days, but I will show you how to cook healthy, tasty meals that don't cost much money. Most of my recipes are very easy to prepare and they cost less than 10 Rand per person. While I'm cooking, I'm going to share with you a lot of healthy tips on how to eat well, healthy, and save money. So come into my kitchen and let's start cooking. Today we are going to cook a very healthy and delicious breakfast. We need half a cup of oats. Let's just fill it to half. You see it's half now. Then we add water to 3/4 of the cup. Remember to boil your water in a kettle to save electricity. Let's fill the cup to 3/4 with water. Stir it very well. And we add a teaspoon of peanut butter for a nice, nutritious breakfast. Stir it until it's smooth. Let it cook for 5 minutes slowly. After 5 minutes, add some milk. A little bit of milk will be enough for a nice creamy breakfast. See now, it's nice and creamy. Let's taste it. It's nice and delicious. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot of recipes like this. Please leave some comments in the bottom. Until next time, stay safe.